Hey, how are you guys doing? Chan Trades back with another trade recap. Today I lost $16 trading ES futures. Let's jump into the trade. So coming into the day, my bias was bullish, although it could have been bearish. It could have gone either way. Um, how I got that is we basically manipulated these lows at market open, um, meaning that we were going to continue higher. Um, on NQ is really where I formed the bias for the day because we manipulated off of these 1 hour lows over here. So basically, coming in to the day, price pushed up an Asian session, right? Came down, manipulated off of Asian session, and then reversed. I was looking for a reversal, right? So my bias was bullish, but could have gone either way. Coming into the 5 minute, we'll quickly kind of go over what I was looking at. So, pre-market, not a whole lot going on here. We formed this high. This high was important. Um, we come down at market open right here, sweep out London session liquidity. From there, I'm really just looking for entry on the 1 minute. I wait a little bit because price is just kind of chilling over here. There's a big SMT that was formed. That's just a difference in price between both NQ and ES. I wait for NQ to go fill these orders down here. Once that happens, I'm looking for entry. We got to break a structure off of this candle right here. So this blue candle right here. We come down into 1 minute equilibrium, a 1 minute for value gap. I got entered right here, kind of right in the middle of this candle. So not a perfect entry. And then I set my stop loss below this wick right here. Take profit, this 1 hour high, which also coincides with this pre-market high, right? So this is just a super strong draw on liquidity. I thought it was definitely going to hit, but we ended up actually taking out this 5 minute high right here and manipulated off of that, which I didn't really think price was going to do that, but it did. Yeah, so same thing on ES, right? Manipulated off of this high, came down. So it is what it is. From there, when I was up in profit, I think I was up like 300 in profit. I just put my stop loss at break even, right about break even. I got stopped a little below, right? Um, so it is what it is. But price obviously came down, took out whatever it needed to take out down here. Really just filling in, I guess just more imbalances, but I don't know. This price action was kind of shit because it immediately comes back up right after, takes out my draw on liquidity. So it was a pretty good draw. Comes down, and actually in here I started to look for an entry on the 5 minute. I found one, and I was going to take it up to these London session highs. I just didn't take it. The risk was a little bit too much for me. But so we obviously come down, and we just go right back up, right? And we go up higher. So it's just a really shitty week with price action. It's not really moving in a consistent pattern. It's really just like up, down, and then it is hard to trade that, you know. Even on higher time frame strategies, like on the 5 minute, it was still hard to find an entry. So that played out right in the way that it did. So it is what it is. Every day is an opportunity to grow. I think that this trade was not bad. I had good bias. I had a good draw on liquidity, right? Both ends, right? Take profit and where I executed from. Good confluences. It's just shitty day. So it is what it is. I'm happy that I did move my stop loss to break even, right? I want to be super risk off this week just because of everything that's going on with news. We're almost at we're almost at all-time highs. So just risk off, and eventually it'll catch up to me, and we'll be good, you know. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully later this week. We'll see. All right, peace. Bye bye.